Yeah, King. Basta sampai mtaani. Abanye nota sabahamba ngenyindlela. Uzobuya ne makancane ngapha bashaye ngapha uzobuya ne abaqede yabuya mnganami yabona namasimba nje showcase to all corners of the earth for it to be heard. If you don't take heed, you must get hurt. Just in there as a messenger, the best friend, y'all. To teach you about roots and culture. What do you say to remember? That's all I do. Oh gosh, just in there as a messenger. To teach you about roots and culture. Want the youths them to remember Jah. That's all I had deal with Jah. Yes sir, Majesty, have a feeling. Take it hard. This is a warning. Prepare, yes. This is a warning to the nation. If you don't take it, it will be your condemnation.
man. Salute.
And they refuse to hear me when we cry. You are into the cause. Or keep them scars. You got it. And they refuse to hear me when we cry. Make this linger in your memory. And stay as long as can be. There won't be no stability. The people them so needy. And the more they use them hungry, is the more them get so angry. And now that bossing up the time, you can't really feel them say me tree. Someone why you so greedy. Like you share your memory. So why you have the key? You want to play and I can't stay on your key. It's very essential. The things that just like that. Don't remember back into one and keep me about. Now we are going to things illegal. So let's go. Them suffering some. We got it. And they refuse to hear me when we cry. You are into the cause. Them suffering some. We got it. And they refuse to hear me when we cry. No funny system them rely on. No for them a welfare recipient. See the mother with the food stamp in a room, but better than eating out the trash can. No for them now no qualification. It's like college is where them belong.